Look at this monster, at least 3 to 4 feet. This is gonna be my fishing spot for today. I have to cross over the levee. Getting into this location gonna be require a couple of days of dry, no rain, and a four-wheel drive is preferred to get to this location. Okay, I'm parked right next to the river, next to the big pump station. Getting my 3 rods set up here with a rig tying. I'll be using live shrimp for today. It's been kind of slow for the first hour, so I'm gonna be cooking myself some lunch. I use a fillet redfish that I caught last week. I'm gonna boil it for about 5 minutes. I use omachi beef noodle here. My little tent set up. Okay, now I can put in my noodle. So I'm gonna crack up my noodle. I'll put the seasoning and the soup base. Smells so good right now. Some good stuff. I need to add some more water. I'm gonna add some extra pepper. It's the red pepper flake that I got from pizza place. Okay, I think we're good here. Close up look. Can't beat this meal with redfish. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit. Got all my line with fresh bait. Gonna enjoy my lunch for a bit here. Here it goes, guys. Piece of redfish. This redfish I got last Friday. It's right at 27 inch, perfect size. It's pretty good. I think we got our first one. Got hooked up on a Penn Fierce 4000 rune rod combo with a 30-pound test. This guy keep me a really good fight. It's a pretty big one. Redfish, catfish maybe. Oh yeah, it's a big redfish. Let me get my net. Here guys, nice redfish. Redfish! Shouting out to my buddy fishing at the other end. Okay, got him. Yeah, boys. Great color. So let me see if it within the length to keep. So I have my rod mark right here, 27 inch, and the tail, this is about 26 inch redfish. Beautiful redfish. So I'm gonna load this guy up in the cooler. Beautiful. This is a big one. Probably in a redfish. Looks pretty big, and I got a 15-pound line on here, so I gotta be gentle with it. Still all the way out there. I wonder if it got stuck there. I got snack over there. It's right over there, pretty big. Something, I can see the fin over there. Look like I got snack. Something that's pretty big, like the fin is pretty huge. Let's see if I can get a close look. But the fin is pretty big. Oh, it's alligator gar. Hey Sean! Alligator gar! Big! Got an alligator gar, guys. There she is. Beautiful. It's biting on the jig head. Hey Sean, I might need help. Yeah, help. After 5 minutes fighting with the fish, look at this monster, at least 3 to 4 feet. I couldn't pull it up, so end up snagging my line when I pull him close to the rocks, and he just flipped around, break away. Fish on. Fish on. I got a snack here. Some more red. Yeah, boys. This guy right at 16, so he's a keeper. Yeah, boys. 16-inch redfish. No, 16-inch redfish. Perfect eating size. Fish on again. Just snap the line. It snapped the line. 12, 15 pound snap. Okay, let's clean this fish. And this red fish is really red. Color is beautiful. Yeah. It's gonna be the wrap of the Catch and Clean with me. Please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I would love to see your feedback on what you see next on my upcoming video. Thanks for your continued support. So this is how much we got here from the two fish. Hey guys, see you in the next video.